Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to cancel your Temu subscription right from your phone using the Google Play Store. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Step 2. Next, tap your profile icon at the top right corner. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Step 4. Now tap on Subscriptions to see a list of all your active subscriptions. Step 5. Look for the Temu app in the list and tap on it. Step 6. Tap Cancel Subscription, follow the prompts and confirm your cancellation. That's it. Bonus tip. If you subscribe through another method, like directly on the Temu app or website, be sure to check there too. Some subscriptions aren't managed by Google Play. And that's how you cancel your Temu subscription in just a few steps. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tech tips. See you next time!